YouTube here. This is a lot to keep track of when you're sick, man. Whew. Too much. Oops. All right, I pretty much got everything up already that's been going on, and anything from yesterday. And so let's see if there's anything new now. Looks like the same bunch that I saw earlier. Not seeing anything new on the list. So I'll probably just label these out, and then we'll be ready to to get ready. All right. I feel like drugged, and like every now and then, that woozy feeling. Maybe it's a tumor. Fucking Jasmine. It's not COVID. You never know. Tumor. GC. So Ed, what did you study on? Did you talk about that already? What did you study up in the market mastery? Nice. Okay, good. Yeah, excellent. Now, we don't use necessarily everything that is taught in there. That's sort of like there's several day trading strategies in there. They're to choose from. They're not to overlap. I mean, you can use them sort of. A master could combine them, you know. So just so you know, I think some people get that confused at first. Path of victory, very nice. Let's see. XL3 Extra. I'll have to write that down. Well, I'll just look it up on the web here and keep it open in the tab. Ultra, did you say? Extra. I haven't heard of that one. You bought 100,000 worth of Apple puts Tuesday. Strike 150 expiration Friday. Think I should hold or sell? Guy must be using a paper trading account. Strike 150 puts for Tuesday. They bought them. Expiration Friday. Difficult to say. Apple's kind of like hanging out in this 146 area for right now. XL3 Extra. You guys should have your age next to your names. Because some of you are just too silly. If I buy X amount of shares for a day trade, can I hold one share back overnight to circumvent a day trade? No. Well, whatever you sell will count as a day trade. However many, whatever you sell. I don't know, maybe another person can explain it to them. Right now, I'm just too drugged up to explain it real well, probably. I use Think or Swim. If Orv makes a move, we'll be ready today, sir. Oh wow, AHPI is making a move right now. Yeah, you guys can get in for $1.20 of risk. AHPI, if you want to get in pre-market. The market will be opening in 18 minutes. Somebody says I need to get an algorithm bot for pre-market trading. No. Just learn how to click buttons yourself. Not that I'm old school, but a bot will never do what you can do. There's too many subjective decisions. The question is, should we get into Clove pre-market? Should is the wrong word to use there. The correct one probably is can we? And the answer is of course yes, and of course no. I mean, yes, you can get in, but it's up to you if you want to wait for confirmation of the breakout or not. Right now, if you were to get in now, you could get in for 10 cents of risk. You'd have to stop out at 9.75. I think for 16 minutes, that's pretty tight. I don't know if that's a good idea. The breakout is 10.15. It might hit like 11.30. It might go up like $1.50 today. Could even be more. We'll see. Everybody's all hot about Clove, right? This could be a spiker day. Previously, as you can see here, whenever we gapped open on Clove previously, it then went red from the open for the whole day. So it's done that twice. just crapped out for the rest of the day. Yeah, Troy's right. You should never get into clove. Hai Campbell lagi bersama saya. Yes, Hai Campbell lagi bersama saya. The guy's probably like making me say bad things. In Tibetan. They're trying to make me say bad things in Tibetan there. Like, your father fondles his monk balls. That's what he just said, probably. Your father fondles his monk balls. Hai kembali lagi bersama saya. Also, by the way, Palantir is up a couple points pre-market. So it's an exciting morning for Palantir. Yeah, exactly. I'm in Clove by accident. I'm still accidentally in Go ED. I'm never going to get my money back. What? And the month I finally dumped Palantir. Well, don't beat yourself up about it. Could have gone either way. Salam dari Indonesia. Hello from Indonesia. Salam must mean hello, and dari means from. Well, salam dari United States. There you go. I'm now speaking Indonesian. No, I don't think AHPI did break. Did it? Wow, I can't move my arm as fast as normal. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, just about, I guess. Over there on AHPI, if you're in, make sure you're taking off 5 to 20% profit underneath every 50-cent level. Yeah, no one's giving you a loan. Like, you'd have to prove that you're a better trader than we are. You need a 10,000 loan. Get a credit card. Everybody with their alternative medicines. Jasmine saying it's COVID. Alex saying I should have some ginger and lemon. Everybody's got their opinion about why I'm sick. Well, thank you very much for your concern. That is very nice of you. God's finest. What was that? A mushroom? What is that? Oh, it's a leaf. Herbs. Yeah, well, that's what I have been having, Alex. Top 3 picks look like Clove. Let's see if Novavax is happening here. AHPI. All right, we're coming up underneath the $16 level on AHPI. So if you're in that, take another 5 to 20% out. Just beneath $16 level. Summer cold, yeah. Yes, it's because I have we trade normally in our trading group. Well, actually, being in the sun with the UV rays for a little bit can be good. Yeah. AHPI, get ready to take another 5 to 20% off underneath 1650. Did anybody get that back there for that $1.20 of risk? Okay, good. So this will be your third profit target. Absolutely, you move your stop to break even at this point, even right after the second profit target. And then we'll see if we can move the stop up even more from there. Currently, the stop is about 1480. 8 minutes to the market open. Somebody on YouTube said, "Get off Clove like I got off your mom." Oh, that's funny. Um, yeah, exactly. I think that's why they're saying that. It's pretty funny. You have Veil 21 strike August 20. Let's see. Yeah, that's too difficult to make that decision for you. Futu, no. What do I think about Futu? Is Futu good? No, that's bullshit. No. It's not good. So your stop is break even on AHPI or 14.8, whichever's higher. We probably won't touch Clove until the market opens, and only if it breaks 10.15. I think we have talked about Palantir. Yeah, I have it up. We'll be watching it. I'd be looking for a dip buy on that. Hey, everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. Just pick up the free membership and free trial membership, and then you can be trading with us this morning. We'll be shutting off the TikTok in 4 minutes. You're in AHPI at 15.9. Is that good? No. What do you want me to tell you? We got in at closer to 15. All right, John got out at break even. Really? Good job. Why so high? Well, yeah, we still are in the CMCSA swing. Why? Is it bad? Good? Looks like it's doing okay. Solid, yeah. Because you didn't want to trade pre-market, got FOMO, made like $8 total. All right. What was your break even was so high? You got in a bit late. 1590. Oh yeah, that's pretty late. I think the region to get in was between 15 and 1520. Does ORF have decent technical analysis? Let's see. No, oh my god, not at all. It's as bad as it gets. All right, we got 2 minutes to the market open. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. And you can trade with us every day. We'll be shutting off the TikTok in 1 minute. So cat calls. And maybe we should get puts on shot. We should get shot puts. Boom. Cat calls and shot puts. Yeah, Clove is $10.15 for entrance. I would definitely wait until that confirmation. All right, 60 seconds to the open. Okay, AHPI coming up for the rebreak. 50 cents of risk if you want to get back into AHPI right about now at the rate of 1621. 50 cents of risk, and your stop would also move up if you're still in it to 15.7. 50 cents of risk if we get the break of 1621, and that applies to when the market opens as well. 50 cents of risk on AHPI if we break 1621, whether it's pre-market, seconds before it opens, or when the market opens. There it goes. It just put in 1623. All right, it's happening. Get into AHPI, 50 cents of risk. Jesus. A lot of things trigger there. Bing, 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 bing. All right, that must have been Novavax. All right, Novavax is popping. Yeah, no. Give it another 30 seconds probably. 242, 244. For only like $2.50 of risk, if Novavax breaks 244.50, you can get in. Novavax, NVAX. AHPI is putting in a kind of wide range open there. It does that does indicate that it could be a good day. Yeah, exactly what I was thinking, but I don't believe it. All right, AHPI is testing the 1570 stop. You may need to get out of AHPI. All right, there goes Novavax. $2.50 of risk. Novavax. Oh, the air conditioning just came on. Feels so good. PBTS, if it breaks $1, you're gonna have to wait for a 201 break on PBTS. But what's the float on that? It seems kind of high. It's scraggly. Not loving it. Float on PBTS if you want to grab that information. Now over on Novavax, be taking 5 to 20% off. No, 5% beneath every dollar level. 40 million. Yeah, it's not massive, but it's also not too small. But yeah, we'll be looking for the break of. I guess you could try $1.94, but if it were me, I'd wait for 201. So I'm not looking to get into 7 cents of gain and to get blocked at $2. Okay, who's that? Where's that? That might be Open Door. Open Door for $1 of risk if you want it. Open Door, $1 of risk entrance. Upstart's about to break out for $5 of risk. Upstart, UPST. If it breaks 171.50, $5 of risk. Upstart, UPST. Yeah, you could try for ACY. $2 of risk, $2.50 of risk on ACY. Upstart, boom! Look at that, man. All right, who got into Upstart? All right, Ed's in. What's halted? ACY? Okay. I'm like whoa. I'm like drowsy right now. Whoa, that was really weird. Dreary or what some word. So we're out of AHPI. Novavax has pulled back about 65%. That's not good. But it hasn't hit our stop. Stop is 242 on Novavax. Okay, Upstart, yeah. Upstart hopefully will do good. The stop on Open Door, open, is 1650. $2.50 of risk on ACY. Probably is what it will be when it opens back up for trading. PBTS is making its way up to break out. You technically could get in for a triggered entrance at 194 for 20 cents of risk, 25 cents of risk. It might be a Tuma. Looks like Apple's doing good. The market is down at the open, and now it's moving back up. It's probably going to range downwards today. Ford is inching its way back up. There goes Upstart. Make sure you take off about 5% of your position underneath every dollar level. Get to the chopper. What's the matter, Dylan? CIA got you pushing too many pencils? I woke up. Why don't you? Joel Silver. Palantir with a nice crap out. That's what we're looking for. We want it for maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Upstart, doing good, you guys. XONE is a buyout, I think. I looked at it, and it's not on our list. We're up 50% on our Ford calls. Everything else is having a slight pullback right now. Oh, I don't know, Alvin. Avon. We take our risk reward, we find our entrances, and then we let them run. Let's give it some time, and let's see if it ends up where we hope it ends up, which is up. PBTS, we had that breakout. Anybody get in? That was the entrance back there. Novavax is dumping. Okay, Novavax stop was 242. So you're stopped out of Novavax. Exit. Get out. Should you stay in Novavax? Don't bet on it. It said that. All right. Yeah, look at that PBTS go. Under $3, we're taking profits every 5 cents. Okay, 5 to 20% every 5 cents. Why are you out of ACY, Cody? That doesn't make any sense. We're not out of. Are we out of ACY? I don't know. Did you take some profits on that? Oh, out of the halt. Gotcha. All right, a break of 28.41 on ACY would be an entrance for $2.50 of risk. 28.41. You might even want to wait for 28.51. Even drugged and drowsy Evan can get these trades on. All right, there's Upstart hitting 177 level. You want to make sure you get 5% off underneath that 177 level. Oh, 178 level rather. There's the breakout on ACY for the $2.50 of risk. Your stop is 26. I guess that's $1.50 of risk? No, $2.50 of risk. Okay, good. Yeah, Novavax is crapping out more. But how about Moderna, which yesterday was so red? Nah, now it's just trading. Nothing there. And then how about Pfizer? Okay, yeah, it's over. It's over for Pfizer. in my opinion. I know that some of the other people in our group think otherwise, but no, I think it's definitely over. Ed, Upstart paid the bills today. It's not over yet, Ed. Right? All right, so let's take another 5% out underneath the 180 level. Another 5% off of UPST underneath 180 level. Oh, yeah, Anthony? Yeah. That could either be your internet or it could literally be Webull having some issues. I don't know. Anybody else? Huh. It's Webull. Michael Lackey had issues as well. You're not the Michael Lackey from San Clemente, are you? Where are you at? Nope. Really? James Johnson says he's having issues on Webull as well. That's lame. And Troy, damn. And that this is just part of the game, unfortunately. There's always something, even before computers. You know, there was something. There was always obstacles. There's always obstacles. You know, don't let them piss you off. Just understand there's always obstacles. No matter what platform you switch to, there's always going to be an obstacle, and it's always going to be you that has the problem with being frustrated and pissed off about it. And it's you need to work on, not the fucking obstacles. There's always going to be an obstacle. You just have to be cool with it. That's where you got to get yourself. There's always going to be something. It's just going to be that day. You know, oops. Oh well, I guess Weebles fucked today, or whatever it is. You know, hey, that's just part of the program. Yes. Once you remove all obstacles, you still have yourself to work with. FLGC Ford is spiking. Ooh, I'm gonna go take a look at that. That's great. FLGC, if it moves, let me take a look. If FLGC breaks 1425, I think that will be a breakout. That'll be pretty good. Yeah. 1410. Yeah, 1430. Let's call it 1430 FLGC. We'll see the risk when we get there. Yeah, I bought more Ford yesterday. We're up 48% on my last refresh. Let me refresh. 50.25% on those calls on Ford now. But this is nothing, I expect it to go to, 16 or something eventually, hopefully. If it does what I think it's going to do, it's going to go test the high over the next week or two. My problem is I got next week's Friday expiration, and they're probably going to regret it next week. But gains are gains. We'll see. The Ford calls I got were the 13 strike. I got the August 20, but you should get the September 17. But it's too late now. Well, not really. If you get the September 17, you can get in now, but it would be for 70 cents of risk. Yeah, that's about what we had before, 65 cents of risk. All right, there goes ACY. You guys in ACY or wanting to get into ACY, there's a breakout. And we're hitting 29, just barely, just tapping it. It wasn't a 29.50 we just hit. Depending on where you got in, make sure you're getting 5% to 20% out beneath every dollar level. Should have listened and bought more. Nobody listens to Turtle. All right, looks like Deer is moving up a tiny bit too. Oh yeah, very nice. I think, compared to Ford, the Deer call is outstanding. 109% we're up. I'm up almost $2,000 on that one now. Okay, Palantir. That's an entrance on Palantir, and I like it. 50 cents of risk on Palantir. Yep, Michael. Yeah, exactly. There is your entrance on Palantir. You're still hanging out right at the entrance. 50 cents of risk. All right, it's moving up. Well, hopefully you guys are already getting in. Oh, it's moving up. It's moving up. Yeah, you guys are hopefully not too late. All right, it's definitely appreciating. Is Palantir going to kick ass today? Answer unclear. Ask later. Son of a bitch. That is seriously, that's the funnest new part of the show. Is Upstart crapping out? Let's see. Where the hell is it? No, it is not. But what is AHPI. Are you guys in that? Hopefully you got out at your break even, or 1480 was the stop down at the bottom there. AHPI. Is AHPI going to bankrupt bag holders today? Chances aren't good. All right, Palantir is making progress. The VIX is going up more strongly than the market's going down. So there may be great uncertainty ahead. All right, PBTS is moving along. Remember to take 5 to 20% profits every 5-cent level. That was just a rebreak there at 210. Who's still in PBTS and taking profits? All right, great. Okay, good, guys. Yes. Make sure you're taking those profits every 5 cents. It's a $2 stock. Now back to Palantir. Look at that go. Wow, what a good entrance that was. I'm not feeling like it's going to be moving up by dollars, though. It might be a good idea to take off some at the just underneath this 50-cent level. It's my instinct. PLTR. Yeah, I think $1 is not a typical trading range for it. So you might want to go with underneath the 50-cent level. So 24.50, right under there. Take probably 20% profits. Because there's no way it's going up 5 times 50 cents, $2.50 today. I don't think. And we can get the rebreak if we need to. Apple zooming along. Our Apple call is doing good. I'm up 15% on the Apple. 114% on Deer. DHR is just having a sideways day? Yeah. Well, we're up almost 200% on DHR swing trade. Average true range is 88 cents, says Scott. Thank you, man. I was thinking, I wonder what the average true range is on that. You read my mind. Yeah, it almost means you should be taking off at 25-cent levels. But today's an extraordinary day. Look at Palantir. Are you guys believers now? In the 5-minute dip buy reversal on a stock which is having an extraordinary pre-market. That's the pattern. And it's going to break out 24.75. I believe. What was that? Oh, yeah, the Matrix 3. That was good. I really like the Matrix 3. I like, obviously, Matrix 1 was incredible. Matrix 2 is just terrible. But Matrix 3, I really liked. And a lot of people don't. But you got to find out more about the Matrix and like what it's all about and stuff. And then it becomes actually quite meaningful. It becomes pretty good. The second one was just like so fluffy, so too much style in filmmaking. Not enough. Their story was there, but it was just it was too stylistic. The first one was very story heavy. That made it nice. Well, that's good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I thought the action was kind of exaggerated and over the top on the second one. Like compared to the first one, it was tasteful. The second one was like, we had like a 14-minute freaking freeway fight, remember? In the second one? It's like a 14-minute freeway fight. Too long. It got tiresome on the viewer. Well, yeah, first was best, yeah. Add to Palantir at the break of 24.8? I don't know about that. That's not our plan. Yeah, no. Are you down to almost nothing? Is that why? You only should have taken profit once so far at 24.50. And now move your stop to break even. That's pretty cool, right? Now, no matter what, you're profitable today on Palantir. 2.36%. All right. All right, we're still in ACY. Current stop is 26. Adam says, ever have the feeling, and like when he said that, I knew it was going to be some weird fucking deja vu-y thing or something. He's like, not sure if you're awake or dreaming. Yeah, dude, fucking, I just had that. I like that. Did you see me? I just like opened my ears like this. That was because I was like, I actually like fell asleep. It was really weird. It's because of the medicine I'm taking. I literally just had that. Yes. I'd say about 80% of what we were watching just crapped out. Didn't even trigger. But we got a couple triggers, so that's good. Open, I think if anyone's in open, you should have exited at 16.6. So if you're still holding, time to get out. You don't go, oh, I was supposed to get out at 16.6. Shoot. Oh, I'm still in it. No. Get the fuck out of it. You take now a bigger loss. You need to train yourself with good habits. And those habits are to get out. Get to the out. Get out. All right, now you might be able to get into Palantir on this breakout for 40 cents of risk. There it is. Boom. All right, so there you go. Hopefully you got it. Palantir. Okay, Upstart still hanging in there. ACY just made some further progress. It hit 31. Make sure you take 5 to 20% off, just below that $31 level. Next profit target is 32. Okay, Palantir, take off another 5 to 20% there, right beneath 25 right now. 20% I recommend. 20% actually. A thick, good 20%. Palantir. There it goes, pulling back. So hopefully you got it. Who got that 20% partial profit target right there? Oh, good. Excellent. RJ, Nicole, and Michael. Great. 2490. Nice. Ed. Mark, Eric. Good. God. Excellent. Proud of you guys. 2495. Wow. What a great exit. 2496 for Riza. Very good. All right. We are still in it. Next profit target. What is it? You guys on Palantir? What's the next profit target? We kind of adjusted it. It's not typical. You guys don't know? Just underneath 25.50. So yeah. No, we just took at 25, Nicole. Yeah, ACY, get ready to take out another 5% to 20%, somewhere in that range on ACY right now. It's hitting 32. Look at this Palantir day we're having here. Really nice on the daily chart on the upper right there. Really nice. And then ACY. Whew. It's just ACY is about to make a new all-time high. So that'd be similar to a U breakout. This is, I think, called the three-line strike. What's happening today because of the last 4 candles. Before that, to brush up on my candlesticking patterns. But all-time high breakouts at 32.87 on ACY. 32.87. That might be some resistance up there, so be ready to take out another profit target right there, 32.87. That's close enough to 33, and you don't want to mess around with that number. How much you guys up on ACY? %. Wow. Nice. And how much R on your portfolio if you know how to do that? If you don't, that's okay. Are you using the 1% rule, Nicole? Maybe not. Okay, good, good. All right, there's the rebreak and push further from Palantir. Can it pop over 25? It is consolidating up there at 25. Open, cut it. We were in it, but now you got to cut it. It crapped out. It hit our stop at 1660. Yes, 1660. All right, Upstart is moving up some more. Take another 5% out around this 181 level on Upstart, UPST. Our current stop on Palantir is 24.4. Current stop on Palantir is 24.4. Don't let this pullback bother you. That's just part of it, of what it needs to do if it's going to go further. It's going to create some excitement. Yeah, Moderna is just trading around inside of yesterday's candle. Nothing too special. Here comes ACY. Make sure you get your 5 to 20% out there. ACY at the 32 level. Looking very healthy. ACY is looking really healthy. Upstart. There's another profit target. 5% out, right underneath 182. There it goes. We're now at 182.60. Take another 5% out, underneath 183. Our current stop is 174.50 on Upstart. So way down there. You have a nice wide range to let it breathe. There goes ACY. Take another 5% off right there underneath 33. You might be struggling to get that exact timing right. It hit 32.74, so let it go just a micron more if it can. Yeah, the markets are crapping out, but Upstart's doing fine, ACY's doing fine. Palantir. Now, previously, when a stock hit a certain appreciation level and you're looking at your account and you're like, whoa, and then it started pulling back, you would get really scared and maybe even angry and pissed off, and you would sell. Now with us in this group, we don't do that. We don't get scared or pissed off when those things start to go down in value. We expect that before they go up further. So you need to release that old bad habit, that emotion that's not useful to how we trade here using the day swinging technique. UPST hitting 183, so be ready to take out another bit on UPST underneath 184. It just keeps going. And Palantir looking like it's going to break out. You can top off if you want, second chance entry, or just let it move your stop up to 24.60. But if we break 25 on Palantir, here it comes, you can get in for 40 cents of risk, or top off 40 cents of risk. Here it is. And No, can we break it? There's a lot of orders there. Ooh, a lot of orders at 25. There we go. We did break through 25. All right, on Palantir. 20% next exit, just underneath 25.50. Be ready for it. Well, you're welcome, Reza. High emotional intelligence trading. I like that. Yeah. Lots of reprogramming you have to do for yourself. RJ did it. He doesn't sweat anything. I wonder, RJ, did you used to sweat? I'm sure everybody does. Everybody does in the beginning. But now it's like, it's just, there's nothing. RJ says, I used to be so bad. He really needed this. He's still working on the mental aspect. Yeah. All right, look at that. Upstart. It blasted through 184. Make sure you take another percent off there. Now, coming up on 185, that's a bit bigger of a level. You might want to err towards 5 or 10% at 185 on Upstart. I imagine you're getting low on shares, and that's normal. But there'll probably be a pullback soon and then a rebreak if you want to get more on Upstart, if you want to top off. What? Is XBio good on the break? I think I took XBio off of my list here. I don't know why. Well, after he woke up to 77,000 from 3,000, he isn't going to sweat anymore. What happened? Is that true, RJ? You did a lotto play or something? All right, ACY just about hit 33. I don't know, Sergio, not you. I don't know. What, Sergio, what are you talking about? Upstart just hit 185. 185.50. $185.88 on Upstart. What percentage are you guys up on that position on Upstart, UPST? At this point, 186. We just hit 186. Make sure you're taking out some profits. 172 approximately was the entry. So about 8%. Nicole says 11.8%. Excellent. Tesla about to test 700. Okay. And Apple's doing fine. Sergio says in testimonials, I could have swore it was not RJ. That was Ryan, and it was a different. I don't know, his name in there is different. That was Ryan. Ryan Lotz, which I'm sure is not his real last name. Doc's way up. Actually, I think I said that one time, and he said it was his real last name. Could be. Yeah, Doc's with the U breakout yesterday, and now look at it. 68 to 82 we missed. Fuck. That's not on my list of IPOs yet because I only went through the last 2 weeks of IPOs. This one's like 4 weeks ago. I am 82 from 68. That would have been 21% gains. Yeah, would have been very nice. At this point, it's too late though. Nicole, you're in it. Oh God, that's fantastic. Thanks, Sean. Yep. And Palantir, because remember, we didn't get in at the open, and most people would have. It crapped out. Most people would have lost money and then sold, and it turned around And we finally got in right at the point in which it then took off and broke new high of the day. And so we did all the right moves on Palantir as well. You did? Okay. Yeah, RJ. Sorry. Oh, you mean Doc is up 19%. Are you in Doc, Nicole? Docs? Oh, wow. When did you get in? The beginning of the day, around 70? Ah, thank you very much for telling all of us about this wonderful opportunity that you're up 20% on. Thanks so much. That was really nice. Maybe you have a tumor. Like in Phenomenon. Maybe you have a tumor and so you found the biggest gainer on the day. Yeah, we are a team. Share that next time. She has the non-sharing Tuma. Maybe you're selfish. No, I'm not selfish. I'm not selfish. It's not. Nicole, you're a newbie. Well, if you see any kind of opportunity like that again, do let us know. And you'll see, Nicole, I don't know if you take my market mastery classes, but you'll see in the IPO section, this is exactly a trade that we trade. I just didn't know about it. All right, so I'm going to get her the market mastery link if she's not already enrolled. There you go. Palantir about to go again? Well, maybe. It is possibly putting in what's called a diamond top, which could be the end, could be the topping pattern. Oh, awesome, Nicole. All right, glad to hear it. Getting your money's worth, I hope. UPST with a little bit of a pullback now, so that's good. So if anyone else was thinking, wishing, degenerately wanting to get into UPST but didn't, can't say I recommend it because it'll be the third wave during low volume time on the market, but you have upcoming here a rebreak potential. So if Upstart breaks 186, you'll be able to get in for something like $8 of risk if it breaks 186. Right now we have a stop all the way down at 174.50, and everybody's been taking 5% profits at every dollar level all the way up. And right now we're just waiting as it pulls back a little. Apple calls are up 24%. Let's see. Well, good for you. Mine are up 17%. Very good. Yeah, half a grand. That's good. And it looks like Ford pulled back today after it pushed up a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. It's still progress. Still higher lows. Okay, Palantir is looking like it's going to break. There we go. There's the break on Palantir. Now, is it just going to form a diamond top and pull way, way, way back? What's it going to do here? Be prepared to take some profits, like 20% beneath 25.50. So at like 25.38, 25.43 in that region. No, I can't say I like that FLGT one. No. No, no, and SoFi, no. Still a lot of selling interest going on for weeks and months. ACY about to pop. Remember to take profits at underneath 34 if it does. It's going to pop 33, and when it does, it's going to run up to 34 really quickly. Be ready to take some small amount of profits underneath 34 on ACY. All right, guys. My room is like spinning around me, like I'm like drunk. I'm gonna call the session here just because I got a fever. I'm sweating. I have a fever, and I'm gonna get some more rest somehow. Take a shower or something. But maybe some of you are getting the hang of this now. Way to go! Make sure you take the market mastery classes to just learn everything that we're doing here. And I think some of you, Jake and Elliot, had you come in here for free today. If you want to take the trial, make sure you grab the trial, the 7-day free trial, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, thanks. Appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, and tonight's class is kind of up in the air for sure. I would love to feel great tonight. I'm hoping. All right. Take care.